Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to set up my first iPhone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is my old phone, the Samsung S9 Plus. I've been using this for 2 years now. It's my first time to have this iPhone 12. So I got the silver one. See, it's silver here. I like it. I like the color. It's very classic. And let's compare both. So the Pro 12 is a little bit bigger than the S9 Plus. Okay, I'm going to set aside my old phone. I'm turning this on. So hey guys, since after the setup of the phone, I've been using this for 3 days now. So the video quality and pictures that's really plus to me, especially that I've been a Samsung user, an Android user basically. But I'll show you some pictures and videos of. So this is I took in the morning. And for videos, it's really clear, guys. today we went to Best Buy to buy the casing for the phone. I went and bought the Otter Commuter. So I like it. It's not too thick, it's not bulky when you use it. And at least I have a good grip when I'm, when I use the phone. Next, I also bought this USB-C 20-watt power adapter. Since in the phone it doesn't come with that, it comes just with a cord. So at least I can plug it in. And this is $19.99 from Best Buy. So it comes with a manual and that's it for today, guys, for the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the USB-C wall adapter. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!